first chapter about chapter of geography. Here we are going to consider geography chapter 1, India, size, location. Clear? So you have studied this chapter so many times. I will teach it once. The main facts and main important points of this lesson. As you know, India and it has a location, very significant location is there. Before we would like to understand what kind of contribution of India is there towards the world. Means it has shaped world history. India has shaped world, and so far other things are coming. The world history has been decided shaped by Indian. Clear? This means India has shaped world history. Okay, right? It has multifaceted socio-economic progress. It has multifaceted socio-economic progress, and it's done progress in all sectors such as agriculture, industry, and social and cultural portions. Understood? So we can say that India has a vast and deep history, but for the sake of geography, we are going to discuss first the location of India. Here, location of India. Clear? If you watch India's location on the map, you will find that it extends from latitude 8 degree 4 minute north. Understood? It extends its degree 8 degree 4 minute north and 37 degree 6 minute north. Clear? It is its latitudinal extent, the extent of India. That is the latitude of India. That is it is 8 degree 4 minute north and 37 degree 6 minute north. And its longitudinal extent 68 degree 7 minute east to 97 degree 25 minute east. 97 degree 25 minute east. It is its longitudinal extent, right? Understood? So this is the location of our country. Understood? And India is totally located in Asia, one of the largest continent of the world, and it has centrally location between East Asia and West Asia. Clear? It lies in between East Asia and West Asia in northern hemisphere. So we can say that India's location is very unique. It is near equator. Understood? Means this portion 8 degree 4 minute, it is close to 0 degree, that is equator. That's why in southern portion, however it is a peninsular area, that's why they receives quite direct sunlight in comparison to Jammu and Kashmir. That's why their temperature are quite different. Understood? So when we consider all these things, and second thing, in India, its size is there, and there is another term, that is Tropic of Cancer. Tropic of Cancer. Clear? Tropic of Cancer, it almost divides India into just half. Understand? And its latitude is 23 degree 30 minute north. Right? Its latitude is 23 degree 30 minute north. Clear? So means this Tropic of Cancer, it passes through India. If we consider a rough sketch of India, clear? Then what we will have? This is your Tropic of Cancer. Clear? Tropic of Cancer. Clear? And from here, this portion, clear? It is at 22 degree latitude. At 22 degree latitude, though the shape of India becomes taper. Taper means its extension is decreasing towards Kanyakumari. It is becoming tapered. Understood? So this taper portion, that creates a unique situation of India. And as soon as all these portion, here, that is Kanyakumari. At Kanyakumari there is very low, less longitudinal extent. That's why the duration of day and night is hardly experienced here. Very low duration of day and night. As soon as we move towards Jammu and Kashmir, right, its latitudinal extent, it increases, and finally what happens? The duration of day and night starts increasing. Okay, so this is the way. And second thing, many datas are there, that is its total coastal line and India's other portions, like India's boundary, land boundary, including Andaman and Nicobar Island, and other portions. They can be recorded from datas given in your chapter. Clear? And area of India, total land mass area of India, it came 3.28 square 38 million square kilometer. Clear? So this data is very important, and we must be aware of the land mass area of our country. Okay? Then we consider some other facts related to this, and you will say that the area of India is 2.4%. Area of India is 2.4 times area of world. Okay, this is 2.4 times area of the world. India's area 2.4%. 2.4% of area of world. Clear? So here we can say that India's area, and you can decide its land mass area along with this. Children, one thing more, India's land boundary. Clear? Land boundary of India. Land boundary of India, including boundary of Andaman and Nicobar Island, and Lakshadweep. Right? You can say that this land, boundary is 15,200 kilometer. It is 15,200 kilometer. Clear? And India has the largest coastal boundary, and the coastal boundary of India, coastal boundary of India, right? India's coastal boundary, that comes to be 516.6 kilometer. This is India's coastal boundary. Understood? So here we can consider that all these facts that can be get from your book. After 22 degree latitude, India's land mass becomes taper and it intrudes towards Indian Ocean. Understand? And it divides the two oceans, that is the Bay of Bengal and Arabian Sea, into parts, and just below there is Indian Ocean. And most of the economic activities, that is transport work, right, via sea water, they takes place in Indian Ocean. And lot of economic activities they also takes place, and there is no other country which has such coastal line across Indian Ocean. That's why India's name came from Indian Ocean, and this Indian Ocean has been named after India. Okay, so we can say that it has a significant feature for all these things. And children, when we consider the duration of time from between Gujarat and Arunachal Pradesh, there is duration of 2 hours, right? That's why it became a confusion. How should we decide timing? Because of 2 hours duration, there will be a time lagging, lot of problem for the people to do their activities. Suppose time is given to reach Arunachal Pradesh, and if it was declared that at Arunachal Pradesh a match will start at 8:45, right? So the people who is living in Gujarat, they will think that at 8:45 match will start, but according to that there is a difference of 2 hours. So they have to on their TV and wait for 2 hours, then match will come. So in this way we can say that there was a confusion of calculation of time. Okay, so that's why India has chosen Indian Standard Meridian. Okay, Indian Standard Time. Understood? And that Indian Standard Meridian is chosen as 82 degree 30 minute east longitude, right? This is the standard meridian of India. Standard meridian of India. Clear? So this standard meridian of India, it came, understood, after a calculation. Let us calculate how this portion come, how this standard meridian of India came. Okay, for that we will consider the longitudinal extent of India. Clear? And the longitudinal extent, if we consider, that is 68 degrees 7 minute east, right? 68 degrees 7 minute east plus 97 degree 25 minute east, and we divide it by 2, we will get approximately 82 degree and 30 minutes. Understood? So it is the mid part, midline of India. Clear? Means this is your India's map. Clear? If you consider this, right? And this Jammu and Kashmir, or the rough map I have made. This is your Sikkim, then this is your Bangladesh. Okay? So what we will have, that standard meridian is 82 degree 30 minute east. It passes through what? And it also cut this, the shortest distance of its longitudinal extent, that is Mirzapur. Clear? So Mirzapur of Uttar Pradesh has been decided as the Indian standard, the IST, Indian Standard Time, has been chosen from Mirzapur for entire country, so that there should be no confusion. Every country watches, they are controlled from here, and the timing of national news or activities, that starts according to Mirzapur timing. Okay children, so we can say that this is a very important fact for us, and you can get lot of information also. Now we will talk about India and the world. India and the world. Clear? The relationship of India with the world means India has got trade relations with other countries. Clear? And India has developed land routes, sea routes, understood? And many traders, they have to use passes through mountain. Clear? These passes, they are they have done lot of trade activities. If we consider, right, if we consider all these activities, we will find that Deccan Plateau, understood? Deccan Plateau is the rich source of minerals with port facilities. Clear? Many countries, means India can perform sea water, via means of water, it can be perform its activities, trade activities. And in this way Deccan Plateau has become a significant one. And children, try to understand. One of them is, let us consider this is South Africa, okay, and here India is located. Here, this portion, and other countries, Gulf countries, there is a sea, Red Sea, right, Mediterranean Sea here. Clear? And when these European countries are there. Clear? Whenever they have to come to India, they have to go via this one, South Africa, stay here, then stay here, then stay here, then reach India. This was a long route. Clear? So what happened? A Suez Canal was erected, which connected Red Sea and Mediterranean Sea. Clear? And it has reduced, Suez Canal has reduced a distance of 7,000 kilometers to trade with India by European countries. Okay, so here we can say that Suez Canal has played a significant role, and it was erected in 1809. In 1869, Suez Canal, it was independent, public. Okay children, so we can say that India has a special significance, and in such sense of area, India is the seventh largest country of the world. Clear? Seventh largest country of the world. Understood? So we can say that it has a historical feature, and its longitudinal extent and latitudinal extent has a lot of difference. But if we consider the extent, then we will find a 30 degree. There is 30 degree extension
सर
between its longitudinal.
सर टाइम ऑफ
Okay.
2 मिनट पढ़ा हमारे हैं.